Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack of the device, you can solve it by the method as I will show you. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the headphone jack or the earphone jack issues in your device.